Ginataang Tulingan or Ginataang Bulis. Mga cooking ina, I like this fish. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking Ina Siargao. In this video, I am going to share how to make Ginataang Tulingan. I found tulingan or bulis in the Asian market today and I miss that fish very much. I used to eat fish in my country. We call this in my hometown in Siargao, Bulis. People in Siargao knows what is bulis. In Siargao, we used to cook this fish kinilaw, sinogba, tinola, paksiw. But here, I'd like to make Ginataang Tulingan. At least there is a coconut milk. So, I'm happy that I found this fish in the Asian market here in Sweden. This is fun to share, especially to the Swedish people that are not used to eat this recipe, this kind of fish. The ingredient of this is here. I have a tulingan. The tulingan is like this. This is a big fish. I found already cut like this. And we need vinegar and we need coconut milk. It's in the can. And salt and whole black pepper, tomato, eggplant. This one is eggplant, talong, and chili, green chili, ginger, loya, we call this loya, and garlic, and fresh onion. All of these are the ingredients. Very simple to make the pinaksiw or Ginataang Tulingan. The version of this is like a paksiw. I just add the gata, so it's called Ginataang Tulingan or Ginataang Bulis, mga cooking ina. So let's start. Very simple recipe, but I love to share this. So we do like this. First, we're going to put our tulingan here. We do like this. I found tulingan fish in the Asian market. This is very cheap fish in Siargao, in my country here. A bit expensive, but it's okay. So we're going to put this here in our stove. Then we're going to add our salt. We do like this to our salt. Then our whole black pepper. Then we're going to add our ginger. We cut the ginger like this. Then we do like this. More ginger. I like to put a lot of spices in this. Do like this. And then the chili we just cut like this. Because I like little bit spicy. Then tomato, we just do like this. And the tomato. Then our onion, we do like this. This is very good viand, mga cooking ina, especially to the Swedish people. They are not used to eat this, but you know, I used to eat this fish when I grow up because my dad, his business have a lot of bulis. People in Siargao knows that. Then garlic. We just press the garlic like this. Just take away the skin in this. we're going to add that one there, the garlic. Then our eggplant. We just do the eggplant like this. I just do like this here. And we're going to add our vinegar. This is premium sugar cane. We add this one, we just estimate this one maybe 1 deciliter or half cup. We're going to add our coconut milk. I set aside first the cream because I'm going to put the cream in last when it's getting finished our pinaksiw or Ginataang Tulingan. So we do like this. So we're going to on our stove here. We cook this one in a medium heat, mga cooking ina, slowly. Our cooking in this, mga cooking ina, maybe 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes we cook in this. And we cover this, and we cook this in a medium heat, mga cooking ina. So, we're waiting for 15 to 20 minutes to our Ginataang Tulingan will be ready. So, see you in 15 to 20 minutes, mga cooking ina. And now, mga cooking ina, look! Our Ginataang Tulingan or Ginataang Bulis is plated, ready to serve, and it smells good. I miss this very much, mga cooking ina. I like this fish. And thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen, making my Ginataang Bulis or Ginataang Tulingan, mga cooking ina. This is very good with the rice. And please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!